Hi there, my name is Brett. I'm the founder of Blick Digital, and I've got a little bit of information for you here about hiring an Infusionsoft consultant and whether or not you should actually do it. So I've prepared a couple of pieces of information here. Take a look. Let me know if you have any questions by leaving a comment below, and we'll dive right in. So when you first bought Infusionsoft, you're probably like this guy, and you heard all the hype and you said, you know what, that Infusionsoft sounds awesome. I'm going to go buy it. And then you bang your head against the wall because you can't figure out what's going on. So that can be fairly common if you're fairly new to the marketing automation space. And so, yes, it can be a little bit tricky. And so the question is, should you go at it alone or should you hire some additional help? So I've got a couple of options here for you that I want to walk you through. First, let me start with this. The problem with Infusionsoft really is that there aren't any rules or requirements for setting it up. So you can kind of see in this picture here, there's campaigns and lines and sequences and tags every which way. And in reality, you can build a campaign that does anything, but whether that actually works or not is the tricky part. And so this is why Infusionsoft is a little bit difficult to learn at first, but it's also why it can be so powerful. And so the question is, how do you capture the power of Infusionsoft? How do you harness all that power? Because again, it could be set up any way that you feel like you want to build it, whether that works or not. So my favorite analogy here is this guy in the background playing the guitar. And when you use Infusionsoft, you need both the software and someone to manage it in order to get the most from it. In other words, if you've got a guitar in your house and it's sitting there in the corner, just because it's sitting there doesn't necessarily mean it's going to give you the beautiful music that you actually want. And so Infusionsoft is a lot like that. Either you got to learn it yourself or you got to hire someone to come and play you the beautiful music. And there are a couple of options for you here. That's the good thing. So let me just walk you through those. So why are you going to want to hire an Infusionsoft consultant in the first place? I would say, just like this guitar analogy, if you want to really leverage Infusionsoft and get the most out of it, then hiring an Infusionsoft consultant is going to be your best bet. Let me show you what I mean. So there's generally three options for hiring an Infusionsoft consultant. Number one is there's a do-it-yourself solution. Number two is a done-with-you solution, and number three is a done-for-you solution. Usually, most consultants I know they fit into one of those three categories. And so let me show you what I mean. So number one is the do-it-yourself solution. So let's just say that you want to be the one playing the guitar. You want to learn it. You like the idea of learning it. And you don't necessarily want to, hire somebody to come into your house and play you the guitar, or you don't want to go buy a CD and listen to it. So here's what this group should be doing. In my opinion, every business that uses Infusionsoft should have some element of the do-it-yourself. Everyone should learn because it touches so many pieces, because Infusionsoft touches so many pieces of the business and has so many crucial elements with interacting with both prospects and customers. There should be a general foundational baseline knowledge of Infusionsoft. And so whether you think you're going to send Infusionsoft to somebody else or not, you should have an option of at least a baseline understanding. So here's what I mean. There's a lot of courses out there. One I specifically really like is Greg Jenkins' Monkey Pod Marketing. He has a great community, great blog, lots of information about using Infusionsoft properly. And if you're going to go the do-it-yourself route, or even maybe you think that you want someone to do it for you and you at least want to understand how it works, that would be a good route to go. So again, the do-it-yourself option, this is going to be the least expensive, but even then I still recommend hiring some additional help so you can better understand the tool. Number two is the done-with-you solution. So this one is actually my favorite, and that is it's a little bit of a combination of learning it yourself and then having a consultant come in and help you with some of the more strategic decisions and some of the maybe some of the industry specific things that you want to accomplish. For example, let's say that you want to hire an Infusionsoft consultant who's really good at Facebook ads. This could be a great option. You have them help you with setting up the Facebook ads, creating the automation campaign on the back end, the landing pages, the emails, and then you manage when things come into the system. So for example, you've got a lead or a prospect that comes in, you're the one interacting, you're the one sending them broadcast emails after that, you're the one applying the tags to their records individually if that's part of the sales process. And so this is really my favorite, And what you should be doing when you're looking for a done with you solution provider is having them do the hard, heavy lifting of building, all the pieces, connecting all the pieces, and then having them train you on actually how it works. So you're not necessarily handcuffed to them for a long-term solution. So that's really my favorite option. Obviously, the third one, they're done for you. That's where you're just like, here you go, just do everything for me. And there's probably a 2.5. You can see this is number 3. There's probably a 2.5 in there where there's a little, it's somewhere between this done for you and done with you. But this done for you option is great if you think that you don't have the time or you just don't want to really learn Infusionsoft at all. So this can work for some businesses. For businesses that have like sales teams, I wouldn't ever do this option at all. But for those that are really marketing only, this option could definitely work if you have the right marketing agency to work for you. So the next question is, well, how do you find that person? My recommendation is you want to start with the Infusionsoft Marketplace. It's a good kind of foundational spot. It's not the best by any means. Once you've kind of played around there a little bit, you'll see what I mean. Search functionality isn't great and that sort of thing. But for the most part, you'll see a lot of solutions there. And there are a couple of reviews for certain partners in there that you'll want to take a look at and just make sure that you've at least looked in here before going elsewhere. And that's marketplace.infusionsoft.com. The next option that I would recommend is going to like an Upwork or a Fiverr. Now, obviously, there's a caveat here. As you can see, there's always going to be someone who's going to say, yeah, I can do it for X amount, and it seems almost too good to be true. Well, just keep this in mind. There's always someone who's willing to do it for really, really cheap, and sometimes it's not always the best. Another good option is to go and take a look at their website and their marketing material and what they're doing with their own Infusionsoft account. On our website, we produce a lot of content that just hopefully shows people that we know what we're talking about. And so you can take a look at our blog, for example, and that'll give you some information about Infusionsoft and whether or not we as an Infusionsoft partner or consultant can actually help the businesses that we are marketing to. So let me talk about what you can expect from some of these, the typical Infusionsoft consulting packages. So the first one is this virtual coaching and or consulting and training. So here's what I mean by that. And a lot of times, especially if you'd like to do it yourselfer, you maybe want to build something and then maybe have somebody like audit it for you, or just kind of do a little bit of coaching and training around making the campaign a little bit better. This would be a really good option. So there are a lot of coaches out there that kind of do this where they'll meet with you like through Zoom or GoToMeeting style, and you'll be able to share screens. They can show you, you can show them what you're looking to do. So this can be a really good option. The second one is an on-site Infusionsoft consulting package. So a big player in the Infusionsoft space is 6th Division. They do a lot of this on-site where you'll fly to their headquarters and spend a day or two with them and do a lot of training and specifically sit down and build out the campaigns and bust them out. 6th Division isn't the only one. There's a lot of others out there. So this is definitely a great option if you feel like the virtual thing just isn't cutting it and you want to actually sit in the same room as your coach or consultant. This would be a good option. The third one is just straight campaign implementation. So let's just say you don't really care to learn the ins and outs, and you're just like, I just want a solution. I just want this to be done. For example, a good example here is like a webinar campaign, and you want to do like an automated webinar. You've already got all the kind of assets in place and you want to automate it, make it evergreen. This would be a great option. There's a lot of partners out there that have kind of turnkey solutions that can make a campaign pretty much just done for you. So that would be a good option there. So there are some other packages, and this again kind of is maybe one of my favorites, is just the combination of doing a little bit of training and the done with you implementation. What we do at Blick Digital, for example, is a lot of times we will do the heavy lifting of building out the automation, the landing pages, and the things that maybe aren't the business owner doesn't either have time for or just doesn't have the skill set for. But what we don't do is we don't like to handcuff our clients, and so at the end of our work we like to create videos and do training calls and make sure that the client understands how to edit the emails and how to make minor adjustments here and there. So this would be a great option for this number 4, the other packages. Once you've kind of gone down this route and you're like, yeah, I think I'm ready to move forward, the next question is, well, what can you expect to pay? So I've kind of broken it down here, and these are rough estimates. These are probably a little bit lower, a little bit higher in some cases. So just kind of take it all with a grain of salt, but let me just go through this for you. So data entry, that's, let's just say that you only need someone to kind of move data from one system to Infusionsoft or vice versa. Maybe you're a lawyer and you've got a case management system that doesn't talk to Infusionsoft, and you got to set up some data entry systems. So you can expect to pay about that much. And again, I'm probably filtering in some other work that they might do. Number 2 is administrative work. This would be, let's just say they're applying tags. Let's say this person is doing some customer service type of work. That's what you could expect. Number 3 and 4 is where you start to get into where I would say more of the certified partners will live, and that's the marketing work. That's like creating your broadcast, writing your email copy, the business growth sort of activities. And in the $30 to $80 an hour range is what I've seen, pretty typical. And then when you're talking about like just full on like automating your systems and your processes, doing full service marketing work where you're getting design and landing pages and all the other work, you're in the 80 to 300 plus an hour range. And the upside, the high side of that could go as high as I've seen $1,000 an hour. So these are professionals that are supposed to help me build and grow my business. And so if that's the case, what are you willing and what can you afford to pay? So where to go from here? I always recommend starting with a smaller project. That way you can kind of see if they, if these consultants really do know what they're talking about. We start with a marketing automation road mapping session. That's essentially a strategy session where we'll map out what we think you should be doing as far as marketing automation goes. And that's just a smaller project that gets us kind of started in the right direction. You can kind of vet us, we can vet our clients, and vice versa. The other thing to consider when you're going down this route is when they are in your application, what's the naming convention they're using in the tags, for example, or the campaigns? Are they creating a structure that's reusable? So just some of these little things, keep an eye on. It's almost like you want to pay attention to those little details and make sure that they're paying attention to those, because those can compound once you start doing larger scale campaigns. So this is really what I would recommend as getting started with hiring an Infusionsoft consultant. I hope this video has been helpful. I'd love to get your feedback. Have you hired somebody? What was your experience? Give them a shout out below and leave a comment. And again, look forward to hearing from you soon. Thanks.